Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Android version and whether your device needs an unlocked bootloader. This determines what tools you can use. Next, obtain a reputable iOS style. TTF font and place it in a known folder, and make sure you have a file manager and ADB on your PC. Connect your phone, enable developer options and USB debugging, and allow ADB when prompted. Once connected, you're ready to push or replace font files. This is the first actionable change that alters system typography. Now you perform the complex middle steps. If rooted, mount /system as read-write and replace target font files with the iOS. TTF, ensuring names match originals exactly. If unrooted, prefer a Magisk module or launcher that supports custom fonts. Use ADB commands to push files or to install a module, and then set file permissions to RWRR 644 so the system can read them. After making changes, perform a clean reboot to let the new font render everywhere. To finish, reboot and check UI elements. If some apps show missing glyphs, clear font caches or wipe Dalvik/ART cache via recovery. Make sure to keep backups of original font files so you can restore quickly if something breaks. If you see layout issues, boot into safe mode to rule out launcher or theme conflicts, and then reapply fonts or adjust file names. A key troubleshooting tip: if characters render incorrectly, restore originals, verify file permissions, and then reinstall with correct names and formats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.